how to buy mobile phone from Noon in UAE. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy a mobile on installment from Noon in UAE. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for Noon UAE on your Google, and after that you have to click on the www.noon.com. That's the official website of them, and that will redirect you to the homepage of their website, and then you can just simply click on any mobile phone. Let's say we'll go for Samsung S24 Ultra 5G. So let's just click on the phone, and after that you can see here the payment options. You can check for the prices from here, and then there are multiple payment options, as you can see from here. You can just click on another phone, and let's select the Samsung Galaxy S24. So let's select it and click on the pricing. It's being loaded for now, and after it's fully loaded, as you can see, we can just add it to cart. So after adding it to cart, so let's just go into the checkout option from here, and on the checkout option there you can see there is an option called pay for interest free payments of 674.75. that means you can get a 4 month installment from here, and you can split it for payments of 674.75, and that's the payment option for the monthly installment. You can just select anyone from them, and then you can just pay it through their checkout options, and that's it. That's how you can get a installment on Noon in UAE for buying a smartphone. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.